Welcome to my video. Today we're gonna look at the basic blocks on Scratch, like all these sections. And so let's begin. So I've named this project Test Project, so let's get straight into this. First of all, I'm gonna make a sprite, and I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna search up cat, because why not? It's one of the most basic sprites in Scratch. So you can name your sprite anything you like. I'm going to name mine Test Cat. And you can set their X or Y, which is their coordinates. So you can set their coordinate anywhere you like. You can set their size to whatever number. 200 makes him bigger. Then I'm just going to set him to 100 because that's the basic amount. You can hide or show him. And you can do these things in these blocks, which I'll explain. So let's get into this. So we've got the motion, and the first block here is a move dash number of steps, which means that you're able to move your sprite in the direction they're facing. So since this guy is in direction 90 degrees, he'll move that way because he's facing that. But if I change that by using this block that turns them, now he'll go this way. So he can do this. You see? You can do that one more time and it will go down. So that's how these three work. You can make him go to a random position. You can see on my screen, it will set these two to random places. Also make him go to the mouse pointer, which will make him go to the closest. You can make him go to a set X and Y position, so I can put this to 100 and he'll go there. So you can make him glide to a random position, which just means it'll show him actually moving. Make him faster by changing this number, making it smaller. Make him faster. Now we can also move him to a set X and Y. So yeah, like that. Now we can make him point in any direction we like. Also, we can make him point towards mouse pointer or etc. We can change his X and set his X. We can change his Y and set his Y as well. If on edge bounce works, if we put him here, he will bounce. You'll just move. You can set rotation style left and right, which will just change the effect of this. We have these three variables which we can show you. They just represent these. Now let's go into looks. Looks they just make him say stuff. So I can put anything in here. Hello, I am doing Scratch. I'm doing Scratch. He'll say that. And this just makes him think instead of actually saying it. He has two costumes here, so we can make him do next costume. You see, he'll make him move. We can make him switch to a certain costume, like that. We can change the backdrop. We can change his size, change his color effect. We can change his fisheye, world, pixelate, mosaic, brightness and ghost. They all do different things. You can clear the graphic effects, which just change if any of these have inflicted him, it will change it. We can show or hide, which is these things, and we can make him go to the front layer, which makes him go in front of any other sprites. We can go to the back layer, which is the opposite of that. We got these variables as that. It just represents these. Again, let's hide them. We have the meow. Oh, that's loud. We have this sound here, so we can only play a meow. We can stop all sounds. We can change the pitch. We can change the volume. We have the events, which can be used to. So when green flag is clicked, when this thing is clicked, it will do whatever you've put here. There's also that for when dash key is pressed, when the sprite is clicked, when backdoor switches, loudness, messages, yeah. So you know what I mean. And we have to wait certain amount of seconds, and you can put any number there. Repeat certain amount of seconds forever, which does an action or more than one action for forever, basically. We have these if blocks. I'll take them out to explain. They have these diamond things in them. You see, they're slots. We have the stop all, which does the red stop button. It just stops everything that's going on. We can clone them. We can say when I start a clone, go to random place. So yeah, I'll do that. So let's delete all the clones by doing that. Create clone. Green flag and just deletes all of them. So that's good. We also can, and so we have these sensing blocks. These are the diamond ones. They can be fit into here, and they all do different stuff. So if whatever happens in there happens, then it can do that. Then we also have these operators, plus, minus, times, and division. We have pick random between numbers. We have greater than, less than, and we also have equals to. We have and, or, and not, which can have diamond shaped blocks inside them. Can join letters. We can say letter 1 length, true, mod, round, and yeah. We have variables here. We can do like this, and then we can put variable test variable, and click enter. We have this test variable here, and we can put them into these circular boxes. So I can put numbers in here, but I can also put variables into there, which is good. We can set test variable, we can change test variable, show test variable, and hide test variable. We can also make your own blocks, which can be showed by start. I'm gonna make a block called start. I'm gonna tell it that when we'll get a block called define start, then we'll be able to take as many starts as we like. And then we will be able to tell him when green flag is clicked to start, and start means say hello. So one green flag, it basically means one green flag is like say hello, but start means hello. Start defined is hello. So I'll make more projects, and this is just an overview to help you know what all of these do. I hope you understood it, and